I've been using this battery charging adapter from Makita. I use it for the clone of Makita batteries that I have. I really like this adapter. The battery fits perfectly fine. I modified it so you can use 4 screws and attach it on a wood plank or on the wall of your garage. Here is a short time lapse of how I modified it so I can put the 4 screws. It was a bit of a struggle to put the terminals at their place because the space is really tight to bend the terminals at 90 degrees. So I'll remove the backside so that the wire is easier to fit and there is more space to make this angle of 90 degrees. To charge the batteries I use a bench power supply that I set to 21 volts and 3 amp hours. I'll leave all the files in the video description if you want to 3D print this adapter and make it yourself.